Today I'll be comparing two luxury hotels. I went to both and here is the one I like more. However, we will be comparing locations, room, space, comparing luxury, amenities. We'll be comparing restaurants and food and the whole vibe that you get. At the end, I'll be telling you which one I like most. Both are Westins. Here are the wristbands that I got. First, the Westin in Sarasota. This is the first Westin hotel that I went to. And the Westin Sarasota is in a Sarasota downtown, which it is more around buildings. And it's just gonna be a more beautiful view, more lights and all that, and especially at night. But it is a bit noisier since it is a downtown Sarasota and there's a lot of cars just passing by all the time. Westin at Cape Coral is in Marina. It is a beautiful view as well because it's the marina. You always, you're just looking into the water. You get beautiful sunsets. And yeah, it's a very beautiful view. The space, downtown Sarasota, it has that hotel has a lot of space. Even the lobby is very spacious. And you can go outside of the lobby, and it's like it's still the lobby, but it's the outside place for the lobby. Nice sitting area in the lobby over here. We're gonna go outside. It's the outside of the door. And over here we're at the lobby, the main floor, of course, but we're in the outside, and there's a good breeze over here. And there's the downtown Sarasota. And it is very spacious. And no one is really like not on top of you, but not even close to you. So like you get a lot of space. It is a very spacious place. It's just a bit noisy because it is downtown Sarasota. With the Westin, it is a little bit more crowded. So if you don't like not crowded places, because it's not that crowded, but if you just like more spacious and all that, downtown Sarasota will be it. But the Westin at Cape Coral, yeah, it is a little bit, it has a little bit more people, it's a little bit more crowded, but it is also a beautiful place. You got a lot of space to just walk, just do your own thing. You got space to play. You got you got the pool. You got multiple restaurants and all that. The next thing we'll be comparing is luxury. Now, luxury, downtown Sarasota, in my opinion, has the best luxury. A Cape Coral one, it has luxury, but in my opinion, it's a little bit like old luxury. So downtown Sarasota, it is very modern, and it has a lot of luxury. It just feels like a luxury hotel. It has a lot of space, with that helps with luxury. It is very clean. They're both very clean because Marriott hotels are always like super clean. But yeah, luxury for me, downtown Sarasota will take it. Amenities. The downtown Sarasota had, of course, had a gym. Had a rooftop bar.
Hey, I saw you.
You saw me? Yeah, you did. Ya me están reconociendo. Sí. Which was kind of like the restaurant there too. It had a big lobby. It had I got to take one of their a relax and recover. I think it was called relax and recover suitcase, which comes with like a massage gun, multiple stuff to just recover after the gym. So yeah, it did have a gym, a rooftop bar, a rooftop pool, but it really didn't have that much. There wasn't in Cape Coral. Also had the restaurant. At the outdoor eating area, which is the Market 92. outdoor restaurant, which was really nice, Market 92, and it also had an indoor restaurant which was part of Market 92, but it was just like indoors. For me, the outside is just better because you get the whole sunset and all that, but let's not talk about that. And then it had like a walkway. You just go down the stairs and it had a walkway. Over here, they got the outside view. We're gonna walk through it. They also got a Gulf Coast kayak rentals in here, and you can also rent a big tiki tours, which is basically a bar on the water. And it had multiple restaurants across like the whole hotel and everything. It didn't belong strictly to Marriott, but he just had that there. And the food in all those restaurants and everything, the food I would rate it the same, just because it was great food in both restaurants. Probably because they're both westerns. But for me, the Western Cape Coral will also take that, just because it had more restaurants, more choices. Last but not least, the vibes that you get from it. Now, the vibes that you get from downtown Sarasota are, in my opinion, they're great. They're more of like a relaxing vibes, more spacious, a more luxury. You have more places to sit throughout the whole lobby and outdoor lobby, and then the rooftop. So for me, the vibe in there were more of like relax and just do your own stuff. Now, the Cape Coral one, it did have kind of those same vibes, because you do get like it is spacious as well, and everyone's doing their own things, but it didn't look as modern as the one from downtown Sarasota. So that the downtown Sarasota just got like reconstructed, so it looks more modern. But I was there before and it looked modern before anyways. So more luxury, more modern. That's the vibes in here. It's more relaxing and more of you got more space to do your own stuff. In Cape Coral, you also have space to do your own stuff, and there's multiple things to do. There's a ping pong table. There's a place to play. There's a place to just walk the whole marina and just explore. There's multiple restaurants, so you can explore those as well. There's shoppings there that you can go in and just, of course, shop. And the only thing, the lobby wasn't as big as the one in downtown Sarasota, and it wasn't so for me it wasn't so modern, and it wasn't so much like luxury, but it was a great hotel. So in my opinion, the Western Cape Coral will win, just because a it has a lot of things to do, more options of things to do, and it just I got upgraded to a suite. That was one of the main things too, so I can do a room tour. So in here, as you come in, this is the living room. As you can see, we are about to leave already. I just had to do the living room video because I never got the living room. So we got a really nice kitchen right here. So yeah, really nice kitchen, really big. Of course, this is a suite. We got a nice little sitting place right there, dining table. We got the pull-out sofa, which is a really big sofa if you ask me, and nice coffee table, the chair, and a nice place to just watch TV. I actually watched the playoff yesterday in there. We got my parents in the back. Just in here we got the master bedroom. So we got 2 queen beds, of course. We got a outside view over here as well. So you come over here, you got really nice TV, and of course the master bedroom. And here you got a small closet, and I say small because over here we got a really big walk-in closet right there with the safe. Now in here is just another small closet that you just put towels and stuff and just whatever you want to put in there. We got a small place to just like brush your teeth and all that, and then in here is the actual bathroom. So we got a really nice shower in there with a bench just if you want to sit while you're taking a shower. And we got this right here to wash your face, mouth, whatever. So, and in here, of course, we got the toilet and stuff, and that's it. Yeah, so this is the outside view that you have. You come outside through the sliding doors, of course, and we got 2 chairs in here, and we got a really nice marina view of the balcony. And it was a great view and a great stay all around. But again, if you like more of relaxing, recover, and all of that, you're gonna get it in both. But I will go for the downtown Sarasota because it does have that, and it is like more luxury. And the vibes that you get from downtown Sarasota, the only thing with it is in downtown Sarasota. It's just gonna be a bit noisy all the time, especially outside because it is in downtown Sarasota. And there is things to do. You just have to take a longer walk to see everything else. In Cape Coral, you don't have to take a longer walk to see everything else. Everything is basically right there. But it is, since it is in a marina, it's also not as noisy all the time just because it's in a marina and not in downtown. So for me, Cape Coral will win that for sure, and that's my opinion. You guys can choose which one you like more, and visit. You can visit sometimes, and if you guys want to see me rating either of these hotels, you can pick from up here and go watch it. Peace.